variable will be there and independent variable will be there. Okay, so having all these x, y and their derivatives is called second order differential equation. Then to find uh, the solution of that second order differential equation in the form of a series is the power series solution. Okay, generally we have a solution in the form of a function till now, but like every function can be written in the form of series, like sin x is x minus x cubed by factorial 3 plus x raised to power 5 by factorial 5 and so on. Cos x also we can write as 1 minus x square by factorial 2 plus x raised to power 4 by factorial 4 plus so on, like this. E raised to power x also can be written as a power series. Logarithmic function means each function can be written in the form of a series. Generally, you have studied in Laurent series, Maclaurin series. So what those were? They were they were to write the function in the form of a series. So same like for any second order differential equation. This is seen here, second order differential equation you can see. Okay, so here p naught x, p1x, p2x are some function of x. Okay, so coefficient can be function of x. So when you find the solution of this type of function, generally we get a solution of this differential equation. Generally we used to get a function. Okay, then in place of function, if we find the solution in form of series, series is again the terms written in the form of a series added together. So you will get a solution of this series is called power series solution of a second order, because in your syllabus we will discuss about only the second order, though it can be applied for higher order as well. But in your syllabus we will talk about only for second order differential equation, and that is also ordinary. We will that is ordinary, not the partial. ODE word is there, so be careful. That ODE means ordinary differential equation. PD is partial differential. So ODE means only one dependent variable will be there and one independent variable. Partial means dependent variable is one but independent were more than one. So here that case is not there, only y is depending on x. So let's start this. Suppose we are having a differential equation of like this form, that is called second order ordinary. Why ordinary? Only all the derivatives are only y with respect to x. Their coefficients are p naught, p1x and plus p2x. This can be either constant or can be a function of x. Now the condition is p naught x is non-zero. Why non-zero? If suppose I put it 0, this term will be vanish, and if this term vanish, the differential equation will remain of first order while we are talking about second order. So the must condition is the coefficient of d2y by dx square must be non-zero. This is the condition. That's why then only the differential equation will be second order differential equation. Okay, now how to find its solution? Like we are telling, the solution we are going to find out in the form of a series. So we will assume ourselves that the solution of this differential equation is y equals to summation r equals to 0 to infinity ar x raised to the power r. Now, why summation? Because we know in a series the terms are added together. So the addition can be replaced by the symbol summation or sigma generally you call. Okay, and r is equals to 0. Obviously, the terms are not in negative. Generally, these are not generally, but actually these starts from 0 to infinity. So that's why 0 to infinity. AR is some constant term. We don't know what type of constant term is there. And x raised to the power r. We are assuming ourselves that this type of series is the solution of this differential equation. Now we know what is the solution. Solution means after putting the solution into the equation, it must satisfy. Then only it is called solution, right? Solution means what? The value of the solution, if you put back into the differential equation, it should satisfy, means it should come equal to 0. So that time we call it a solution. So to put into this equation, what we'll do, we will differentiate this y we are having, but we need dy by dx and we need second derivative. So for this y, we will find out dy by dx. So after differentiating dy by dx, what we get? AR is a constant term, so AR will be remain same only. Here one term is missing R, because when you differentiate x raised to the power R, it should come R x raised to power R minus 1. Here R is missing. Some typing mistake. So you be careful about this. When you are taking first derivative, x raised to the power r will be r into x raised to power r minus 1. Clear? Be very careful this time. All the notes are not perfect. I am telling you again when many mistakes are there. So when I tell you especially that time, anywhere, either in rough book or notebook or anywhere, you just note it down that some mistake is there. So here, after differentiating first time, the term will come, AR will remain same because it is a constant, but another term will be Rx raised to power R minus 1. And second differentiation means again differentiating this, AR will remain same, and the next term will be R into R minus 1 x raised to power R minus 2. One value will get decreased. Okay, so here these are the given steps. So directly I jump to the main topic, that the series solution of Legendre's differential equation. Why I am jumping this? Because nothing they are telling. After finding these dy by dx, d2 by dx square, they are putting in second order differential equation. So these differential equations are different type, and those cases are discussed in your syllabus. First is like Legendre's equation. Second will come Bessel's equation. So first is series solution of Legendre's differential equation. This is. So okay, so Legendre differential equation is a very fixed and particular form. This is 1 minus x square d2y by dx square. Here it will come minus 2x. Again, one more mistake was there. It is minus 2x dy by dx plus n into n plus 1 y equal to 0. How would you remember this? It is minus 2x because this term was nothing, differentiation of this term. If you see here, so it will be 0 minus 2x. So that was minus 2x. So Legendre differential equation is this 1 minus x square d2y by dx square minus 2x dy by dx plus n into n plus 1 y equal to 0. Okay. First, what will you check? That this term should be non-zero. We know how to make second order differential equation. The coefficient of d2y by dx square must be non-zero. So that's why 1 minus x square must not be equal to 0. So this is given here. Directly we are checking that, at x equals to 0, when we put x equals to 0, we don't get 1 minus x square 0. That will come 1 only. So this is non-zero. So this is second order differential equation. Now same method. We will assume ourselves that the solution of this differential equation is y equals to summation ar x raised to the power r. This is the solution of differential equation 1. Ar x raised to the power r, where r is varying from 0 to infinity. Differentiated first time. Again they have missed r term here again. So r x raised to power r minus 1. Second differentiation will be r into r minus 1 x raised to power r minus 2. So it's your work, because the next step is completely wrong written here. That's why I am asking you, and that's why I am giving you one work. It's your work. These value y dash and y double dash. You will put yourself in the equation number 1. Okay, in this equation number 1, you will put these values y dash and y double dash. After putting these values here, you will find out this. The next second step is correct only, but first step was completely wrong. So don't see that, don't completely follow these notes. You will put yourself in this equation number 1, and after simplification, after multiplication, you will get this equation. This is your work to do this. Okay, so this is our step 1. For any kind of differential equation, to find the solution of any differential equation, our work is, we will assume y is equals to this y1 y2, put into back into the equation. We have done that. After that, what will we do? We will equate the coefficient of x raised to the power r to 0. We equate the coefficient of various power of x to 0. Okay, how will do with that? What you will do, see here, the terms are having x raised to power r minus 2, x raised to power r, x raised to power r, and x raised to power r. So if I want x raised to power r terms, so here this term and this term, so clearly I can take, but for this what can I do? See carefully what I am saying. X raised to power r coefficient I want. So x raised to power r, this is the series, summation series. Summation means I can write in place of r, I put r, if I put r plus 1 plus means summation means plus plus plus. So a r minus 1 x raised to power r minus 2 plus next term will be r plus 1. So a r plus 1 r plus 1 r plus 1 minus 1 x raised to power r plus 1 minus 2 plus r equal to r plus 2 if I put a r plus 2 r plus 2 r plus 2 minus 1 x raised to power r plus 2 minus 2. So that time here the term will be x raised to the power r. So x raised to power when I get when here for this particular term r is r plus 2. This is summation. See, summation means the terms from 0 to infinity are there, plus 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 some terms are there. Same for these, same for these, and same for this. These all are the series. So these terms can be written as plus 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 plus. Our work is to take the terms of x raised to the power r. For x raised to power r, here directly the terms we can get is a r raised to power r into r minus 1 2 ARR n plus 1 AR. But for this, we will get at r plus 2. So the coefficient of x raised to power r will be AR plus 2, r plus 2. Wherever r is there, now put r plus 2. So AR plus 2 in place of r plus 2. In place of r minus 1 will be r plus 2 minus 1. That is r plus 1 minus. Here directly they can write r minus 1. Here also minus 2 ARR plus n into n plus 1 AR equal to 0. This is very important step. We need to put the coefficient of x raised to the power r equal to 0. In these three terms, I am having x raised to power r terms. But here it is x raised to power r minus 2. Means 2 step back this is. But I need x raised to power r. This is series. I can get x raised to power r when I put in place of r plus 2. So we have put a r plus 2 into r plus 2 into r plus 1 into x raised to power r. This they have done. Okay. So the highest term of a is AR plus 2. We will keep it on one side and all the terms we will take on the another side. Again, there is a mistake. What I tell you here in place of plus, it should be minus, but they have forgot again. Many mistakes are there of plus minus. So it will be minus only. And ultimately, after simplifying, we get the value of AR plus 2 in the term of AR. Okay, after simplifying this equation, we will get the value of AR plus 2 in the term of AR. Why we are taking this? Because as we will put the value of R as 0, R was varying from 0 to infinity. So if I put R equals to 0, I will get A naught. If I put R equal to 1, I will get A1. If I put R equal to 2, I will go. So we will get subsequent terms of AR. So here, if you see here, directly they had written A2. A2 how it came when R was 0. A3 how it came when R was 1. Like this. And so on. So these are the value. And finally, the solution of the equation will be, we know that solution what we assume, summation AR x raised to power R. So if you put in this series, if you expand, will be A naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus a4x raised to power 4 plus so on, right? This will be the expansion of the series. So in that series only, we will put the values of a0, a1, a2, a3, a4 and we will get our solution. So this is Lagrange's solution of power series solution of Lagrange's differential equation. Very important, definitely will come in your exam. Any doubt, please ask. Any step you didn't get, please ask. Very important. Any doubt, students? Awake or slept, everyone? Devlina, tell me, Devlina.
मैम वो नीचे वाले स्टेप में जहाँ x टू द पावर r को 0 को इक्वेट कर रहे थे,
x टू पावर r को, बिकॉज हमें ए आर की वैल्यू चाहिए, ठीक है। अब वो तुम x टू पावर r माइनस कोई भी हमें एक कांस्टेंट एक सिंगल मतलब मींस लाइक व्हाट कैन आई से एक जैसे टर्म को लेना है। अब वो तुम एक्स रेस टू पावर आर को ले लो, या एक्स रेस टू पावर आर माइनस टू को भी ले सकते थे, या एक्स रेस टू पावर आर प्लस वन को भी ले सकते हो। कोई भी एक कॉमन टर्म लेकर उसके सारे कोफिशिएंट को पुट इक्वल टू जीरो। See, if in a series, if I put a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x raised to power 4 equal to 0, if I'm putting, so what that mean? When you equate, अगर तुम लेफ्ट साइड और राइट साइड को इक्वेट करते हो तो क्या होता है? कोफिशिएंट इक्वल टू जीरो होता है ना।
यस मैम।
एज्यूम करो कोई सीरीज है तुम्हारे पास, ए नॉट प्लस a1x प्लस a2x स्क्वायर प्लस a3x क्यूब प्लस सो ऑन इक्वल टू जीरो। एंड इफ आई आस्क यू कि इक्वेट द कोफिशिएंट्स, तो क्या करोगे? x का कोफिशिएंट क्या है? a1, a1 इक्वल टू जीरो। एक्स स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट क्या है? a2, a2 इक्वल टू जीरो। इक्वेट करने का मतलब क्या होता है? एलएचएस के टर्म विल बी इक्वल टू आरएचएस टर्म, बट आरएचएस में तो जीरो है, तो ईच टर्म विल बी इक्वल टू जीरो, ईच टर्म्स कोफिशिएंट। अभी मैं बोलू एक्स रेज टू पावर 5 के कोफिशिएंट को इक्वेट करो तो कैसे करोगे? a5 इक्वल टू जीरो, राइट। तो कोई भी टर्म है, इट्स नॉट अबाउट कि एक्स रेज टू पावर आर ओनली यू शुड टेक, यू कैन टेक इवन एक्स रेज टू पावर आर प्लस वन और अदरवाइज एक्स रेज टू पावर आर माइनस टू, बट कोई भी एक टर्म लेकर आप तुम्हें उनका जीरो करना है। अगर तुम एक्स रेज टू पावर आर माइनस टू का लेते हो तो ये सारे तुम्हें दो टू स्टेप्स बैक ले जाने पड़ेंगे, ठीक है। एक जैसे टर्म को इक्वट जीरो करना है, इक्वट जीरो करने के बाद तुम्हें रिलेशन मिलेगा ए आर प्लस टू और ए आर के बीच में, अदरवाइज ए आर और यहां पर आता है ए आर माइनस टू, ऐसे, ठीक है।
हाँ मैम।
डाउट है या बताओ? क्लियर हुआ?
हुआ मैम, क्लियर हुआ।
एनी अदर डाउट स्टूडेंट्स? व्हाई आई फील अदर स्टूडेंट्स आर स्लीपिंग? केतन, unmute yourself and respond me please. Absent for me, okay. Prasad,
Yes,
respond
ma'am.
to me. Okay, fine.
Ketan here.
Ketan here. Okay. As soon I told her absent for me, then you replied, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Ritesh, respond to me.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Okay, then fine. Actually, I was thinking you have put on side your phone and you are sleeping.
No, ma'am. I'm
Darshan?
using a laptop, ma'am.
Okay, okay, good. Darshan? Darshan, unmute yourself and respond to me. Absent. Darshan, I will put absent for you if you don't respond to me in 10 seconds. He's absent only. Chinmay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Chetan?
Understood, ma'am.
Not about understanding. I was just checking you are listening to me or not. Like this, Darshan. Darshan is slept.
Ma'am, Prasad, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Huh? Darshan is slept, na? Yeah, Darshan is slept. Divya Bharti?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, listening. Who else? Gopichan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now everyone else is fine, I think. Manjunath? Manjunath will be listening. Manjunath? Sleeping. No, he's not sleeping. Okay, fine. Okay, so any doubt? Everybody understood? Seriously, every time, whenever I am taking lectures now, for the first year especially, I feel what your mom is giving you to eat. Everyone has been like Einstein. Everything you are understanding in one shot only. Okay, so should I move forward? Here. I am skipping one topic. I will take it later. This is nothing, just another method. Okay, Frobenius method. I will take it, but after Bessel's differential equation. First, because Bessel's is same like Legendre's, so you will understand in same sequence, in same rhythm, you will understand it easily. That's why I am taking this. And after that, I will take this topic. So next is, see here, same only. That time we were having particular Legendre's differential equation. So that was a particular form, 1 minus x square d2y by dx square minus 2x dy by dx plus n into n plus 1 y equal to 0. So that was Legendre's. Now we are having a different equation, that is Bessel's function. That is called Bessel's. Okay. So same series solution of Bessel's differential equation. So Bessel's differential equation is having the form x square d2y by dx square minus x. Again here minus they have removed minus x dy by dx plus x square minus n square y equal to 0. This equation is called Bessel's differential equation. Okay. Same like the previous method, we are going to solve this. Here what we'll do, we will assume y equals to r equals to a r x raised to power k plus r. Why we are assuming k plus r, not only r? Because here this term was, last time it was 1 minus x square. So at x equals to 0, the term was non-zero. So we could assume directly x raised to power r. But here if I put x equals to 0, you see at x equals to 0, this term will be completely 0. But for power series solution, we have seen for second order differential equation, this term must be non-zero. So for non-zero, to make it non-zero, I can't put directly x raised to power r. So we need to take as x raised to power k plus r. Why? Because r is starting from 0. The minimum value r is 0. So if I put x raised to power 0, so here we can't take directly x equals to 0. So we need to take x raised to power k plus r. This is very important point for Bessel's. We take x raised to power k plus r in place of x raised to power r. Reason is that only because at x equals to 0, this term will be 0. Here I think it is written even the coefficient of y double dash x square is 0 at x equals to 0. Here also they have written. So that's why we will assume the solution as AR x raised to power k plus r, because the first term always we put r equals to 0, and if r is 0 and this is also 0, the whole term will be 0. So we assume as x raised to power k plus r. Same only, y is there, we need y dash and y double dash. We will find out after differentiating. First term differentiation, AR is the same only. Why they are missing this term? Again here they have missed one term. K plus r will be multiplied with AR, x raised to power k plus r minus 1. Second differentiation, AR k plus r, here they have taken k plus r, and k plus r minus 1 x raised to power k plus r minus 2. Same procedure only. You just need to remember what the in the beginning initially the solution we have taken. For Legenders we have taken AR x raised to power r. For Bessel's we are taking AR x raised to power k plus r. Okay. After that, your work is to find first derivative y dash or dy by dx and y double dash and d2y by dx square. We will put into this equation number 1. After putting into this equation number 1 and after some simplification, multiplication and simplification, we got this. Okay. So after getting these all the terms, again our work is to equate the terms equal to 0. So that time we were taking the terms as this is to find the condition that it should be non-zero. They have done this, not required actually. So we that time we were doing x raised to power r equal to 0. The coefficient of x raised to power r equal to 0. Sorry. But here what we do? The coefficient of x raised to power k plus r. Will take x raised to power k plus r equal to 0. Okay. So for the k plus r, see here this term is having x raised to power k plus r. So we will not do anything with this term. But here it is k plus r plus 2. But we required only k plus r. For that what I am supposed to do? 2 step back. Means when it will be x raised to power k plus r, when I put in place of r, I put r minus 2. When I put r minus 2 only, that time this term will be x raised to power k plus r. So here it will be a r minus 2. This is very important. Same here they have done. The term of x raised to power, the coefficients of x raised to power k plus r putting equal to 0. That time we were moving forward 2 steps. Here we are taking backward 2 steps. X raised to power k plus r is there, but here x raised to power k plus r plus 2. So we need to take 2 steps back. So after putting r equals to r minus 2 only, I can get k plus r. So that's why a r minus 2 equal to 0. Again simplification, the in comparison to r and r minus 2, which is the greater element is ar. So taking ar on the one side, another terms on the other side, so we'll get AR in the term of AR minus 2. Why we take the greater element on the left side and the small element on the right side? Because when we put R's small value, we will get the next value because of that. So they have put this by taking different value of K, because K, we didn't know what is K. So by taking different values of K, suppose K is any positive number. So if K is positive number, we have written. Why we have taken different two cases? Because here it's minus n square. So if it is K is positive n, will come different answer. If we are taking minus n, will come different answer. So first case is by putting K equals to plus n, we got this. AR is this. And when we get, oh, they have not assumed. Okay. So after putting K equal to plus n, we got this. Same like the previous one, we need to put the different values of R. We will get R equal to here R minus 2. So I can't start from R equal to 0. Why? Because if I take R equals to 0, it will come A minus 2. But our series starts from A naught. The first term is always A naught. A naught will come when R equal to 2 I take. So in the beginning, we will try to start R equals to 2. So if I put R equal to 2, A2 will be this, A naught by 4n plus 4. Next term R equal to 3 if I put, so A3 is equals to minus A1. Like this, we got the values of A2, A3, A4 and so on. And we substitute thus in the beginning the series was AR x raised to power K plus R. So this is the series they have written. Put the values of A0, A1, A2, A3. We got this. After getting this, this is the complete general solution. This is not required actually. Not required. This is the different case. Bessel's function. Okay. Till here, y equals to a by 1 plus b by 2, where a and b are arbitrary constant, is your solution, power series solution of Bessel's differential equation. Same pattern only, not a different pattern. Same pattern. Okay. So this is your power series solution. The particular this I will take in Bessel's function. This is Bessel's function. We will discuss it later. First, you should understand what is power series solution. So, any doubt in this topic? Power series solution? Any doubt? Please unmute yourself and then ask.
I'm lost two steps.
Last. Okay. Here. Here is this. See.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We got this AR equal to in the term of AR minus 2. Okay. We need to find out the values of A0, A1, A2, A3 like this. We need to find out the values. So what we'll do? We put R equal to 2. When I put R equal to 2, I will get A2 value. R equals to 3, we will get A3 value. R equals to 4 and so on. Okay. So the solution will become y equals to what? X raised to power K plus R. AR x raised to power K plus R. X raised to power K plus R I can write as x raised to power K into x raised to power R. Right. So what they have done, x raised to power K one side only, and x raised to power R they have expanded with AR term. So A0 plus A1x plus A2x square plus so on. By putting these values of A0, A1, A2, A3, we got this. And one case we had taken when K equals to plus n. Another case will take K equal to minus n. When K is minus n, this value will become minus K plus R. Little difference only. When you put K equals to minus n, the term will be minus n plus R. So here, by 2 will be, 1 second, students. Excuse me for 2 seconds. I drink the water. Sorry for the disturbance. Yeah. So earlier we will have assumed as when K equal to n. Second case will be when K equal to minus n. Here, if you put minus n will be minus n plus R whole square minus n square. Then same like only we will put R equal to 2 will get value of A2. R equal to 3 will get the value of A3 like this. But here it will be see here, we assume x equals to k plus r, but here we are assuming k equal to minus n. So just what will be the difference? In place of x equals to k, we will write minus k. And we will put the values of a0, a1, a2, a3, and so on. The complete solution will be a y1 plus b y2. Y1 is one series, y2 is another series. The solution will be addition of both series. Is the solution of our Bessel's differential equation. Okay, Jaswant? Any other doubt, students? These are very important. Definitely one of the series will come. Solution of the series, either Legenders or Bessel's. Any doubt? You can ask. So should I continue further or is it fine? Because you guys only told ma'am go slow, that's why I am asking. Otherwise that topic, Frobenius method I have left, I can start that also. Actually, if you have understood Bessel series, so Bessel series was dependent on Frobenius method only. So it's nothing, Frobenius method is also Bessel's method only. If you want, I can explain, or if you don't want, then in the next lecture I can start. No problem. You tell me. Tell me, guys. Okay, just one. Okay, fine. Next lecture only I take. Till then, practice on that. On Saturday we are having, or not this time, I think 12 to 1 I have scheduled that meeting, that lecture. Okay. So be on the time on Saturday. I will continue this Frobenius method. Okay. And till then, complete your assignment. Submit it today on my email ID. And I am working on my classroom. I don't know what is happening in that. Why it's not accepting. Let me see. Okay. See you then. Take care of yourself and keep studying. Okay. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.